On July 10th, 2022, Wisconsin state troopers were in pursuit of a gray Dodge Charger bearing Illinois plates near Eau Claire, Wisconsin. The pursuit was shortly terminated due to the suspect vehicle shutting off its lights. Dispatch advised approaching counties that the vehicle was last seen traveling eastbound on the interstate at 110 miles per hour. While another trooper was on a traffic stop, they noticed the suspect vehicle had passed them with its lights off, nearly striking them. Minutes later, a Monroe County Sheriff's deputy was monitoring traffic when he observed a speeding vehicle matching the description of the suspect. It appeared the vehicle accelerated once it saw the deputy and was attempting to elude him. The deputy began to slowly close the distance between them while reaching 136 miles per hour.
Just past the 140 vehicles. Vehicle just 1050 down. Vehicle just 1050 down at 140.
He then stumbled upon a large cloud of dust, believing the vehicle had crashed. However, when he arrived, there was no vehicle to be found. The deputy followed the fresh tire marks and soon realized the suspect had crossed the median and began heading the other way.
30 to now. I'm not seeing the vehicle here. It may have continued eastbound. I think it continued back eastbound. It looks like it regained it and continued. 30 to now. Vehicle is now in the westbound lane, heading back towards Lawrence.
35, 32, is it trying to elude you then or no?
10-4, it is. Just catching back up, but Monroe, you can show it's a 1080.
They continued to travel at 110 miles per hour while turning their headlights on and off.
Westbound on 94. Vehicle just shut its light off again.
The pursuit was then called off again after the suspect nearly struck several other vehicles and visual was lost.
30 to Monroe. I'm terminating the pursuit. I don't have eyes on the vehicle at this point, but I believe it exited in Williston.
Minutes later, another deputy observed the vehicle pass him and noticed they had one tire missing.
32 Monroe. See if you can contact Toma and advise them and see if they're able to set spikes.
35, 1080. Gonna be eastbound past the 135. Second eastbound tire.
Spikes are set up at the 142.
That far. We're about 57 miles an hour. He's lost a tire. So I'll take a couple more units, get up here, shut down the highway. One of the tires just fell off. 35, we're taking the 135 exit. State at your discretion. Speeds get low enough, you can hit.
The suspect soon turned down a field road, but didn't realize it was a dead end.
We're on Blaney dead end. Get ready for football up here, State. And grass. Some field ground. I'm up by you, I'm up by you. One at gunpoint. All right, stop. I'll give commands, Waggis. Keep your hands in the air. Who else is inside the car?
It's just me.
Okay, perfect. Keep your hands in the air. Spin in a circle slowly. All right, Waggis, I'm gonna have him walk back to you. You give him commands from here. Actually, just wait. We're stagnant. We'll wait for another car. Okay, good. Keep your hands up. We're stagnant now. We're waiting for another car. He's complying so far. Do not move. Do you understand? Keep your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. This is not a game.
The male driver was later identified as 24-year-old Keanis Langston.
Yep, I got him. Hey, I'm gonna call him back to me. You guys keep cover. One on car, one on him. One on car. We don't know who else is inside the car. I'm gonna call him back to me.
I got lethal.
All right, hey, listen to me, okay? Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep going, stop. Take 3 steps to your right. Keep your hands up. Keep going to your right. Keep going. Now stop. Walk back towards me. Keep going. I'm gonna keep lethal on him. All right, I'm gonna transition. Keep looking forward. Don't look at me. Get down on your knees. Put your hands behind your head. Cross your ankles. All right, good? Good. Hands behind your back. Stand up. Up. Walk back here. No guns on you? Here, back.
You'll be surprised why you locking me up. Why I did not want to pull over. You'll be very surprised. Because I didn't have a license.
Nobody else inside the car, bro, right?
No. I didn't want to pull over because I didn't want to go to jail,
Have a seat.
man.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I don't have a license, man. This is crazy.
Have a seat. We'll take wide. We'll go real wide into this field here when you guys are ready. On you.
When you are.
All right, I'm with you. We'll go real wide. Well, I guess you go second. I'll go right here. I can't see back seat yet.
Back seat's clear.
All right, trunk.
Button.
Yep, go ahead.
Clear. 32 Monroe. Vehicle is clear. 1 custody. All right.
Vehicle's clear.
Hell yeah. I know you missed him because I saw his headlights turn and he almost got hit when he turned into U-turn.
Yeah, I saw. That's what I saw. I saw him
It
turn.
got confusing though. Like,
Yeah, because I saw a couple of cars like slamming on their brakes. I'm like, oh, he's got to be jetting onto. He's got to be jetting onto the off ramp there.
Is there a 28 in the front?
Yeah, so he must have this is when he 1050'd out and crossed the interstate over there at the 140 something.
After placing Kianis in custody, he appeared to be hysterical and heavily regretted his actions.
10-4, thank you. All right. Listen, hold on, man. I don't know what. Okay, listen.
Oh my gosh.
Real quick.
The only reason I didn't pull over, bro, I just bought this car, bro. I've been going through hell and back, bro.
What's your name,
I just got my car back, bro. The only reason I didn't want to pull over, bro, I swear to God, bro. I have a valid license, and when it pops up, it says invalid for a insurance ticket. That I had insurance. I was driving my mom quite a time. I'm not a criminal. I just listen. I didn't want my car. I just wrecked my car, bro. I did all this for that car, bro. My dumb ass, bro. I'm so scared of going to jail, bro. I just wrecked my car, bro.
Listen.
I'm so scared, bro. I just the car. I just went to jail, and nobody still had the car.
Listen.
I had a car. I'm going to jail.
Gotta take a couple
This is
steps.
stupid, bro.
Can you actually turn my back seat?
So stupid, bro. I was so scared, bro. I just didn't want to go to jail, bro. I didn't want to lose the car, bro. I just lost the car and the jail, bro. This is so stupid, bro.
So-
I was so scared, bro. I didn't want to...
What's your first name, man?
My name is Kianis, man.
Kianis? Okay, Kianis. Do you have an ID inside the car?
I have an ID on my pocket.
Okay, perfect. All right, I want to ask you some questions about what's going on here, but I got to read your rights because you're.
I just should have pulled over,
Listen,
bro.
listen.
I should have just pulled over, bro.
Kianis.
I don't even have nothing in the car, bro. I should have just pulled over, bro. I'm so scared, bro. I should have just pulled over, bro. I should have just pulled over, bro. I was so, bro, my car,
No,
bro.
no problem.
I'm gonna turn off your car.
Thanks.
This Sam, I just lost the. Why? Well, why did I just pull over,
Kianis,
bro? I was
Kianis,
so scared.
Kianis,
bro.
man,
just wanna get
I gotta
home.
do this, okay? So
I just
can you
wanna
just
get
hear me out real quick for a
home,
second?
man.
Kianis, can you just hear me
I'm
out for a
slow
minute?
as fuck.
Listen,
I'm
I just need you to
slow
hear
as
me, bro,
fuck,
okay?
I don't even have nothing in the car, officer.
I just need you to hear me
I'm
out.
so scared, bro. I just didn't want my
All
car.
right, I'm just going to read these. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to your lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Is
So-
it like, can you just tell me 100%, like, what's
I'll-
the highest charge up for
I'll give it. I'll give you it all. Okay, real quick.
What's the highest? I mean,
Right now,
since-
you're under arrest for felony eluding, and for 3 different cases. It sounds like one out of Eau Claire County, one with Deputy
me.
David here, and then one with me. They're all 3 different pursuits.
Yep.
Okay. So here's the one thing, man. Where are you coming from tonight? Where were you ultimately driving
You would
from?
not believe why I'm out here, bro. You would not believe this story I'm doing right now.
Hit me
you
with
would
it.
not believe this, bro.
Hit me with it.
Me and my girlfriend broke up, bro. I said some I didn't mean, bro. And I'm a real person that just like want to keep good connection with my people, bro. My people told me leave the girl alone, right? But me as a good man, I just don't never want to leave off in a bad like I with nobody. I'm sorry I look like this to y'all. I'm just a bad guy right now. But I came out here to Milwaukee, no, to Minneapolis for my girlfriend, and she was out here. She went to go visit her cousin. My dumb. I said some. She was mad at me. She was trying to hold it off on me for a long time for me to see her again. I'm like, you don't know when tomorrow's promised. This life is short. I gotta come out there and make it right now. This sound like some movie. I swear to God, but on Jesus Christ, this is the truth. I came out here, a bag of weed, and just came here to say sorry to my girlfriend and tell her I love her, and now I don't want her to think I don't love her, and I'm sorry for what I did wrong. And like I just came out here to tell my girl I love her. I swear to God, on Jesus Christ, bro.
So you're heading back from Minneapolis?
I'm coming back from Minneapolis. Just
How come you're driving no headlights on it? Why are you driving so fast and erratic? What's going on with that?
it wasn't the headlights was I was trying to see which headlights was on. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro.
What about the one up in Eau Claire County? So the trooper that tried to stop you there, you passed the trooper who's on the side of the road, And you passed about 100 miles an hour more? You remember that at all?
I don't even remember that. I just know that I seen some lights. I got scared as I'm coming from Chicago, Illinois. I'm a B100. I'm scared as I literally don't have in the car. I just got scared, bro. It was like a panic thing. I just wanted to get home, bro. I literally just I told her like I hope you pray for me. I hope I get home safe, bro. I just sad to hear this happen. I'm not even. You will not believe this is my story. You think I'm out here doing some bull ass stuff? I swear to God, bro.
We've heard a lot of stuff, man.
This is I got a felony, bro, just because of this.
When Deputy David saw you, that first bro,
I was scared. I was scared, man.
So you knew he was trying to pull you over, right?
I don't know. I didn't know what that was. My mind right now was literally just get home.
I know you said you were scared though, right? You knew he was trying to pull you over, and that's why you're running, right?
I got scared as hell, bro. I don't even. I swear to God, it was like a mind thing. I just didn't want my car, bro. I have some. It sounded like some Jewish. I just went through so much for that.
So when you crashed out,
I should just let y'all ass pull me over, bro. My car cost so much fucking money, G. Like this shit wasn't even worth. I don't even have nothing on me, bro. I'm gonna get a felony, G.
So when you crashed out there and you went across the interstate and you saw all those squads there, like why'd you run?
I was still scared as hell.
But you knew that we wanted to get in contact with you because you crashed there, right?
I was scared, man. I was scared as hell. My mind.
And that's why you. I
could not stop trying to just make sure. I just wanted to get my mind. It sound like I'm a stupid criminal right now, but I'm really not even a criminal. My license is supposed to be valid. I just got scared when I seen my car finna get took. I just got scared as.
When you saw me sitting on the side of the road and you passed me, right? Speeding real heavy. You're driving real
I thought
fast,
you were the same. I honestly, when I look at the back of my lights, my car is so dark, man. Yeah. I'm literally thinking like, man,
it's the same cop.
Same cop. I'm thinking it's the same one.
So when I lit you up, you're like, oh, it's the same cop. When I seen the cop behind me, I'm literally thinking like it's the same one. I'm like, I want to pull over. I want to just tell him what's going on. Like, bro, let me go home, bro. Why didn't you stop then?
It's like I never get a break, bro. I'm like, I look like a black dude, bro. I never get a break, bro. I wish I could pull over and be like, bro, I have a valid license and I have insurance, man. Just let me go home. But I just know if y'all pull me over, I'm just going to jail, bro.
Yeah, you're going to jail tonight. I mean, you can't run from the police on 3 different chases. And the problem is, the whole reason it sounds like you were getting stopped in the first place is because you're driving reckless and doing all that stuff. You were a danger to everybody on the road prior to even getting pulled over.
I 100% can guarantee that because you almost hit one of our troopers at Eau Claire. That's why he chased you initially. You were really close to hitting her.
I didn't mean to. I was coming out of Minneapolis. This is my first road trip. I never took a road trip in my life.
In 3 counties, so good job.
All right, so what we're gonna do is there?
Life,
I mean, that's not looking good right now. I'm keeping it 100 with you. You can't do that.
I can't beat this case.
I mean, okay. If you pull over right away, that'd be like a ticket.
If I get you for this, I'm not looking at.
I don't know. We're not judges.
Yeah. Like, we can't tell you that. I mean,
but I'll tell you if you would have just pulled over without no license, you know what you would have got? A ticket.
Yeah, expensive ticket and a suspension on your license.
Damn.
Probably wouldn't even towed your car, man.
But you did all this, right? And like you made it so dangerous for every other person on the roadway just with your driving not even being chased. You created this scenario.
Trying to loot us like that? Because I mean, I know like how Chicago and Minneapolis works. The cops there, like, listen to me for a second. The cops there, when you turn off your lights and stuff like that, they'll terminate the pursuit, right? We're not going to do that here in Wisconsin. We're going to keep chasing you because now you're a danger to the public, right? You undertook a car with no lights on because you're trying to evade me and go in front of them, right? I watched you do that. That's endangering everyone. That's endangering that car that you undertook. That's endangering everyone else on the roadway, brother. That's just how it is, man.
I should have just pulled over.
Yep. Yes, you should have.
My ass panicked and got scared. I couldn't think.
So let me ask you this here, okay?
Panic attack.
Let me ask you this here, okay? So like me and Deputy David, we've been doing this job for a while. We've been doing it for a minute. Same thing with the troopers, right? Now, when we do some research into you and we start digging into your life a little bit more, right? It ain't gonna come up that you're humping a bunch of dope, will it? Because like, I'm just making sure, man. I mean, we've heard a lot of stories, but like, people don't usually run just for a license.
You will not believe how straight never I am, bro.
Okay.
You will not believe how straight my story is.
We ain't gonna find like a kilo of dope just thrown outside the highway, are we?
Bro, I swear to God, I don't do that, bro. I don't do that.
Okay, I'm just saying. We got cameras
work, man. What do you do for work, man?
Bro, I'm an Amazon worker.
You work for Amazon?
Yes.
Like at one of their warehouses or something like that?
I actually saved enough money while I'm good. I have my own business as well. I'm a business owner as well.
What do you do?
I'm trying to get into buying bulk for warehouses.
I got you. All right, so here's the deal, man. At this point, you are under arrest, okay? So we need you to hop out, just so we can search you, make sure you don't have any weapons or anything like that on you when we take you into the jailhouse, all right?
How about this one? Damn, bro, I can't believe I'm going.
I'll grab your other slipper.
I can't believe my people told me don't do this. I had a nightmare, but I should have never done it.
I just gotta make sure you don't have nothing illegal on you, okay? Because I just patted you down when I initially took you into custody.
You know what's crazy, bro? I could have just pulled over, bro.
You sure could have, man. And you know what? We're pretty nice up here, too.
Y'all never gave me a ticket, bro. I went to jail. Got out tomorrow. This here, bro.
Now you gotta sit.
This is my biggest I ever went through in my life, bro. This is gonna be the biggest obstacle. Why did I do this to myself, bro? Like, I take care of my grandma, bro. I'm a good like, make me look bad,
you ain't smoked any weed today, have you?
Bro, I don't do shit, bro. I just...
You wanna put your shoes on?
Bro, I came in here from my girl. I can't believe I'm in jail, bro. What the f*** am I gonna tell my people, bro.
Your car back further? You want to take him to jail?
I can take him if you want.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll handle the rest here.
All right, sorry. What was your first name again?
Kianis.
Kianis. All right, we're gonna walk back to my car right here.
So how I'm gonna beat cases in 3 different counties, bro? How is that
Lawyer.
possible,
You're gonna need a lawyer.
bro? And yeah, if I get a lawyer, that's like I'm gonna be
head back this way, man?
3-time felony, bro.
Well, I mean,
That's what I'm gonna be.
I can't tell you, man. I'm not a judge. All right, you know. Like I said, you're gonna
felony in one day.
you're gonna need to talk to a lawyer about that, man, and they can help you with that, all right, man?
I would get this tattoo on my neck this month, and shit, bro. I would do all this. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I came up. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm scared, bro. When I seen the lights, bro, I got scared as hell, bro. And I just want to get home, man.
I don't take it personal, dude. I get it.
Yeah, man.
I ain't trying to be.
It's part of the job.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't trying to be no 3-time felon, bro. I don't want to come out that bad, bro. But I swear to God, bro. I came here for my girlfriend, man. I just got 3 times of felonies for my girl, bro. This.
Do you have a wallet and a phone in the car?
I have a phone in the car.
Is the phone the Supreme case one?
I have 4 phones.
Yeah, you got a bunch of them in there. That's
Yeah.
You wanna hop in there, man?
Oh, that's what y'all think I said. Okay.
Well, yeah. I mean, and a lot of phones tends to be indicative of criminal activity. You know?
I'm scared as hell, bro. I'm gonna keep it real with you, officer, bro. I'm still like a kid in the mind, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I look old as hell, bro, but I'm like kind of like
Okay.
young as hell in the head, bro. I just wanna know, like, on some real like, when you get this type of going on, bro, like, I'm looking at years, ain't I?
I can't tell you that. I have no idea. That's up to the judges.
scared,
Like, you're gonna
bro.
need to talk to a lawyer about, man. I can't give you legal advice, brother.
But can I ask you a question? Is there a way for me to bond out for this or anything?
Yeah.
But my bond gonna be like 10,000, 5,000.
I have no idea. Depends on your prior criminal history, all that stuff.
But I really won't get out no time soon, though.
You might get out Monday, Tuesday, at the earliest, I would think. Yeah.
Today
Like
Saturday?
that. It's Sunday now, but yeah.
So this is like serious as hell, bro.
It is serious.
Can
It is
I call
very
my
serious.
mom and just tell my?
Well, you can give your mom a call once we get to the jail.
I'm not even a criminal, bro. I don't know why I did this, though. I just made myself a criminal by doing it. No matter what I say now, I'm a criminal, bro. Cause now I look like.
Until you're convicted, man.
I know, but it's like, gee, I sound like I'm formal with you. Like I know you. I'm sorry, bro. Cause I got white friends. I don't look at you like that, bro. But on some real, bro, I should have just pulled over, man. My dumb ass, man. This sad as hell, man. On God, it's sad as hell, bro. I could have just pulled over and just took my